Spanish snowboarder Kóralt said that she is looking forward to a perfect Beijing Winter Olympics during a recent interview. Spain's most successful female snowboarder goes to her fifth Olympic Games on the back of a bronze medal win in the halfpipe event in the recent World Cup in Laux, Switzerland. With another bronze in the World Cup in Copper Mountain and a silver in the Deux Tours event in December, Késtélt says she goes to Beijing with her expectations as high as possible and full of enthusiasm.
It's very different from what we're used to. With really modern infrastructure, I know they are working hard to make sure everything is perfect.
Now 32, Késtelt's first Winter Olympic Games were in Turin in 2006. 16 years on, she goes to Beijing looking for that Olympic podium finish that has so far eluded her.
I'm really looking forward to going there to experience the games and make the most of the situation. It's such a special event that I'm really looking forward to going there to absorb as much as I can.
As far as the pandemic may affect the Games, Késtélt says she is confident the organizers will have everything under control.
I'm sure they will do a good job in Beijing because they really want to do everything possible to make sure these games go ahead.
With 17 World Cup podiums behind her, Késtélt had a message for snow sports fans in China.
I'm really looking forward to going there and we'll do everything we can to show off our sport at its highest level.